Good morning, friends and students. Now we are going to study about bryophytes called Funaria. In last class, we have studied the introduction of bryophyte, where we discussed various general character of Funaria. Now we are going to study Funaria as your syllabus is prescribed by University of Madurai Kamaraj University. Funaria. So the Funaria is kingdom Plantae, division Bryophyta, class Bryopsida, order Funariales, family Funariaceae, genus Funaria. So see the image, this is the Funaria, so which is a very small plant. Let us see the general character of Funaria. So, general character of Funaria is commonly found in terrestrial habitat. What do you mean by terrestrial habitat? The terrestrial habitat is nothing but not present in water. It is not an aquatic plant, but it can grow in the dry places where the water is not muchly presented. So it is usually grow in moist shady places such as damp soil and shady banks. See, it can grow very in damp soil and shady banks, that is river banks, where the water is not continuously flow in that places. So the Funaria is a cosmopolitan distribution. What do you mean by cosmopolitan distribution? That means it can grow everywhere in the land. So it can distributed all over the world, found everywhere from Arctic to tropic region. So that is called cosmopolitan distribution. And Funaria gametophyte. So this species life cycle of Funaria consists of two growth stages, namely juvenile stage and represented by the primary protonema, and the leafy stage which represents leafy gametophyte. So the gametophyte is nothing but a haploid phase of the plant. It can be two stages. One is juvenile. Juvenile means simply germinated from the spore of Funaria. It is developed as a small thread-like structure which is normally called as primary protonema. From the primary protonema, it is developed as a leafy stage of the plant as we seen in the slide. Okay, that is the gametophyte. This gametophyte, the adult body of gametophyte is differentiated into rhizoids, axis or stem, and leaves. Okay, the rhizoids arise from the base of the axis. This is not a root system. It is a primitive structure of root system, but it's not a pakka root system. It is also called as rhizoids. It is simply arise at the base of the stem or base of the axis. The axis or stem is green, erect, upright, and branched, as you seen here. So this is the erect structure. Okay, so this is the rhizoids which is arise from the base of the stem, and the stem is just like arise erect structure. Okay, and it is erect, upright, and branched. Each branch arise below the leaf. Okay, just below the leaf. The rhizoids is multicellular, branched with oblique septa. which arise from the base part of the stem, which is brown. They perform some functions of root such as anchorage, absorption of water, and solute from the soil. See, the rhizoids, as the root-like functions, the rhizoids here is multicellular, branched, and of course it is somewhat brown in color, and they perform the functions of root such as anchorage. The plant anchor the uprightly. சதீஷ் சொல்லுங்க. And the leaves are sessile. Sessile means there is no petiole between stem and leaf base. So that is called leaves are sessile, which are oblong ovate, entire margin, pointed apex. The tip of the apex is pointed, and the leaves are arranged spirally on the branches and the stem, and each leaf is traversed by a single midrib. When you see the leaves under the microscope, you can find the small midrib. There is no branches found here. And the gametophytic plant body of Funaria is monoecious. That means male and female reproductive structure present in the same plant in separate branch. Okay, the male called antheridium and the female called archegonium. That reproductive structure present in the two separate branch of the same plant. So it is called as monoecious. So antheri are born on the main shoot of the plant, and the female branch also a side shoot which grows vigorously becomes. The female branch develop a side shoot which grows vigorously and become longer than the male branch. So if the male branch is shorter than the female branch, it is called as adventitious. So both antheridium and archegonium are born on the top of the branches respectively. So this is what the general character of Funaria we can study. Thank you.